So I'm running an educational institute and I've created this drip campaign for the same. I am just going to show you. I've sent a WhatsApp message to all my leads. Not only this, I've sent a follow-up message after 2 days and one more after 5 days and one more after another 5 days. What is this and why is this so useful? So what happens is, let's say lead received your WhatsApp message. After 2 or 3 days, they will forget about that message. So if you send another message after 2 to 5 days, they will remember your institute once again. And once again, if you send, so they will keep remembering your institute because they are going to receive multiple message from the single institute in simple timelines. Okay, so this is called drip campaign, that we continuously send WhatsApp messages to our leads and nurture them for a longer period of time. And how can we create this for our educational institute? For that, you just need Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are an existing user like me, just open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, so the number getting blocked chances are very less. And now once you open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free. So click on this sign up for free to try it for free. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to type this discount coupon code and click on this apply button to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. This discount coupon code is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to type this discount coupon code, which is RITYT, click on this apply to get the best discount. Okay, so now let's see how we can create this drip campaign. I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow. Then if you find it helpful for you in your business, then you can move on further, use my discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Just have to log in to come over here and you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, you're going to get the tutorial in the description box below. You can check it out. Otherwise, if you haven't added your WhatsApp number, you're going to get it directly on the dashboard too. Okay, once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this flows section and open the flows and then click on this add flow button. Once you click on this add flow button, a blank flow, something like this, will appear in front of you. So once you see this blank flow over here, you just have to name your flow first. So I'm just going to name this flow as student admission drip campaign. So I'm just going to simply enter the same name right over here, which is student admission drip campaign. And now we have trigger right over here. This is the main thing which is going to start this flow. So what is going to start this flow is the first WhatsApp message, which I am just going to deliver using a WhatsApp template. I will just let you know how. So first of all, for the trigger event, you have to select it as WhatsApp template delivered, and over here you have to select the WhatsApp template. As you can see, I'm just going to go in this template section from the left hand of the side. As you can see, I've already created this template. If you also want to learn how to create a template, then you just have to go on this add template button. From here you can create your template. Once you create your template, you have to wait till Meta approves your template. After Meta approves your template, you are good to go. You can just simply select the template right over here, like I am going to select. So what is going to happen is, when this template will be delivered to all the leads, then this flow is going to get triggered. Okay, so for all the contacts to whom this WhatsApp message is delivered, the drip campaign will follow the same. So if you want to learn how to deliver this WhatsApp template to all the leads, then for that you can refer to the description box below or just comment bulk messages, and I'll share you the video where you can see how we can send bulk WhatsApp messages to all the leads first. And once this template is delivered, then our flow is going to get started. I want that after 2 days, the next follow-up message should be sent. So for that, go in this action notes and simply drag and drop this delay and connect it with trigger. For the delay type, select it as delay for, delay until, or delay until a specific weekday. It depends upon you till when you want to delay this. So let's say you're running a webinar or something like that. So for that, you can delay it until, because you have to select a specific date and time. But I am just going to use delay for because I just want to delay this for 2 days. So I'm just going to simply select the unit and the value right over here. You just have to select the type according to your own use case. After you set up the delay, you have to enter the next message, right? So simply drag and drop and you're going to see the content type. So select it as text plus button and enter the message right over here. So I am just going to simply copy the message from my previous flow which I've already built. So I'm just going to simply copy and paste it right over here. As you can see, I've successfully entered this message, and in this message I've added stars. What is this stars? So if I want to bold some text, I can simply add these stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold over here. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully added these stars, and like this you can also check the preview of the message. Now let me just move towards the next message. So for that I want to add a delay of 5 days. So I'm just going to simply clone this delay step and drag and drop it and connect it with this continue flow. Now I'm just going to simply change the delay value to 5 days. Rest everything will remain same. That's the reason I cloned it. Now I'm just going to clone this text box also and then connect it with the new delay. Now I'm just going to simply change the text of the next message, which is this. So let me just copy and paste it right over here, and yes, you can see I'm good to go. Now for the third also I'm just going to do the same. Just copy the delay and simply I am just going to connect it with the continue flow. You can change the value, but I want to send it after 5 days only, so I'm going to keep it as same. I'm just going to copy the text button and I'm just going to connect it with the new delay and enter the new message. Okay, as you can see, this is the new and the last message. So I'm just going to simply copy and paste it right over here. In this message we have something new, which is $name. So what is this $name? As you can see, I want to send the name of the lead with the WhatsApp message so that each of the lead receives a personalized message. That's the reason I have used this $name. So if you type $name right over here, what is going to happen is it is going to replace this $name with the name of your lead. Yes, this is a contact custom field. If you want to learn this in detail, you can simply go in the settings and then contact custom field section. We have a video tutorial on the settings in the description box below. You can refer to that. In simple terms, I'll just let you know that if you just want to enter the name of the lead, just type $name and this value will turn dynamic. No more technicalities in this. Okay, like this we have successfully completed this drip campaign. I just took 5 to 10 minutes to create this drip campaign for my own educational institute. Now you just have to click on the save button to save this flow. This is a very important step. Now once this WhatsApp template is delivered, instantly after 2 days this message will be delivered, then after 5 days this message will be delivered, and then after again 5 days this message will be delivered. So go and try this amazing drip campaign for your own educational institute. Till then, don't forget that we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. So you can try this for free today, and once you try it and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. If you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. My team is going to help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.